of 4 chambers. Right atrium. This is right atrium, which consists of main cavity and small outpouching called right auricle. Main cavity and outpouching, which is auricle. Okay, this is right auricle and this is right atrium. This is right ventricle. Right atrium connect with the right ventricle or open into the right ventricle, ventricle by atrioventricular groove. Atrioventricular opening, sorry, atrioventricular opening, which is guarded by tricuspid valve. This is one cusp, this is the second cusp, and this is the third cusp. Tricuspid valve. The cusp is connected to the skeleton of the heart by muscle called papillary muscle. Papillary muscle. From the other side also, this is anterior and this is posterior papillary muscle. Opening of the right atrium is inferior vena cava, opening for inferior vena cava, opening for superior vena cava, coronary sinus, opening for the coronary sinus, mean the coronary sinus is drain the external surface of the heart and there enter into the right atrium. This is remnant of the foramen ovale called fossa ovalis. Remnant of the foramen ovale called fossa ovalis. This is infundibulum, and this is semilunar valve for the pulmonary artery. This is pulmonary trunk. At the level of the sternal angle, it will divide it into right and left. Right pulmonary artery and left pulmonary artery. The oxygenated blood will return back to the heart by 4 pulmonary veins, 2 from each side, and enter into the left ventricle. So that left atrium. Left atrium, okay? So that the left atrium have 5 opening, 4 pulmonary vein and 1 atrioventricular orifice guarded by tricuspid valve. This is tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve, which is connected to the skeleton of the heart by 2 muscles, anterior and posterior papillary muscles. This is called chorda tendini. This filament or this fiber is called chorda tendini, which is connect cusp to the papillary muscle. Connect the cusp to the papillary muscle called chorda tendini. Chorda tendini. Okay. This is left ventricle. Then the blood will be passed through aortic opening or aortic sign or aortic valve. This is aortic valve. Also the semilunar valve like pulmonary trunk. The aorta, the blood will be pumped into the aorta, to the ascending aorta. This is ascending aorta, beginning of ascending aorta, and this is 2 aortic sinus, right and left and right aortic sinus, which give origin of the 2 coronary arteries. Okay, this is anterior, this is right coronary artery, which give branch called posterior descending artery or posterior interventricular artery. Posterior interventricular artery. This is left coronary artery. Left coronary artery give branch is called anterior interventricular artery or called LAD, left anterior descending artery, and the other branch is circumflex artery. This is circumflex artery. This is left auricle and this is right auricle.